up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop, and welcome to kit number 58 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. Yes, that iconic Mustang driven by Memphis Reigns, aka Nicolas Cage from the movie. Now, if you'd like to grab this 1/8 scale model for yourselves and build along with me, head over to this link just along there. Right there. Pop. That'll take you to the Fanhome website and you can take out a subscription for this truly beautiful model. There's also a link in the description below in the video there, folks. Okay, let's have a scoot through and find where we are today. It's kit number 58 and it is the rear luggage platform. So you're going to need the floor section, seat area, interior that we've been working on. And we're going to be putting in this luggage platform, folks. Similar process, we're just extending the floor base of the interior bit by bit, folks. And then we're going to end up with this section here. And then obviously over time, we're going to have bits and bobs of gubbins going in there. Okay, so that's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue. Okay, so we are speeding along quite quickly now in this Mustang build. We'll have a look at what we've got, which is this section here. So we'll get that open for you and we'll get this installed. And this is this exciting part of the part work process now, because we're beginning to get all the car starting to come together. And it is quite an exciting time because you're beginning to see your work grow. And yeah, it's just nice. It's just nice to start getting to that stage. So we'll just open them up like so. There you go. You will come out. There you go. There. Lovely jubbly. So that's your screws ready. I'm going to change screwdriver bit, put a bigger bit in. Good. So we got this section today, and this is going to be joining on to the rear section of our floor area that we've been building up, which is just here. Okay. So we're going to want to do what we've done before and spin this up on itself like that. And then this is going to go on these three sections here like that. Okay. That's what we're looking at doing. So whilst that's under its own weight, I'm going to put that middle screw in and get that in place. There you go. I've just got my index finger of my left hand under there just to give it something to press up so that it doesn't stress the plastic too much. We'll then do the one nearest us, get that in place. And then we'll spin her around. Gently does it, like that. And then we'll do this other section as well. Like that. Just resting my fingers underneath it, just to stop the plastic getting stressed. And there you go. Just spin that up that way, and that is what we've got. We've got the front seat belts, mats in, but we're beginning to come up now and follow the contours of the interior, ready for the rear boot section. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of your latest delivery, folks, this interior floor section. Okay, so if you'd like to build along with me and take out a subscription, head over to the link here. It's in the description below. Pop the Fanhome's website and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful part work. You will not be disappointed, folks. I'm telling you, it is a thing of beauty. You get to make brum brum noises all around your bench and all of that lot, but also you get to have fun whilst you're doing it. So until the next time, if you can remember to click the little festa and subscribe to my channel, I'd be massively appreciative. I look forward to seeing you next time, folks. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Good night.